Okay, well, under my vampire video, one of my friends suggested that I do a clown makeup tutorial, so that's what I went today. I will say that I don't have any clown things, but I do have like red crayon looking pencil thingies that you get on face paint, and I got white face paint, so I'm going to try my best to do something the best I can. Wish me luck. I'll see you in a minute. Hi guys, so I really tried with Pennywise. So this makes my teeth look orange. Thanks, Pennywise. No. But I seen under one of my little friends' suggestions that one of my friends wanted me to do a clown. So I was like, well, Pennywise is pretty cool. Why not? So basically, I also have some really rugged makeup going on at the top. I know this is nothing what he looks like. Trust me. Besides like this part and like minus that and that, but that's okay. No big deal. My boyfriend bought me this Victoria's Secret lip gloss, and that's on my face. Awesome. This isn't used as my eyeshadow. This is also used as my nose. I'm gonna stab myself in the face. This is also used as an outline, but I put fake blood in it, which is like really freaking cool. I like it a lot. I don't know what this black is. I don't know. I just got bored and said, yeet. But I've also noticed he has no eyebrows, but my eyebrows are so darn thick that they had to be there. So if you have pencil thin eyebrows or whatever, cover them up super cool, but I couldn't, so. But other than that, I think this was an amazing video, and I tried to wrap it up a little quick, you know. But in case you're wondering, I don't have a lid, but this is what I used for my face. It was white body paint, but I really couldn't get everything. Like, I didn't care about this because, like, nah, it's too close to my skin. I didn't want to go down the neck because it's not even that serious. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I get enough of that. Anyway, yeah, so this is what I used. It was actually $3.98, I think. And these are really cool. Let me find them. Oh. This came with the vampire kit, which I think I showed earlier. This is like a mini blood packet, which is so weird. It literally looks like blood to me. And that's on my face, like right there. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I can just try to make it focus on it. Kind of couldn't anyway, but it's pretty cool. All you do is cut the little tip off of that, and then it's just like. But other than that, I think I did a really good job. I'm like, just kidding. Here, do the face he does. Having problems. I'm Pennywise. Just kidding, I can't even. I don't even know how to do the voice of him. I'm thinking so hard about it. My boyfriend said, "What are you doing?" Because I sent him a picture of my half white face without anything on it. And he was like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "A clown makeup video." He said, "Oh, makes sense, LOL." I'm doing a lot of videos recently about makeup anyway. I'm excited though. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? It's probably terrible. Look, it's starting to drip. They're so weird though. Like, I don't know if I can show you. What was I using earlier? Oh, this little thing. Like, watch this. This is fake blood. That's fake blood. Like, that's insane. It's creepy. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Leave suggestions down below. And I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye!